Take our hands and lead us through rough and troubled times. It's hard to see how life can change into false and foreign rhyme. Strengthen those and bless them all who fall in a hopeless strife. Fill the void for those who lost the most precious part of life. Be not too far, hear the voice of people cry. Stay close at hand, change the darkness into a bright new sky. Comfort where the grief's too great, greater than a man can bear. Spread your wings, embrace with love, where joy turned into despair. Be not too far, hear the voice of people cry. Stay close at hand, change the darkness into a bright new sky. Be not too far, hear the voice of people cry. Stay close at hand, change the darkness into a bright new sky.